Hey, this is a video showing a demonstration of the Onkyo CP1000A auto return turntable. It's got 33 and 45 speeds, comes with the adapter. Overall, it's really in nice shape. Everything functions as it should. It does have a dust cover. It does have scratches on the dust cover and no hinges, but it does have the dust cover. And just to show you a little quick snippet of how it plays, a very quick snippet because I don't want to get dinged. This is the tubes, and the intro is a little vocal, but
if you can possibly manage the time, please play both sides at one meter.
about all I better do with that. Plays great, sounds really good. It has an Audio-Technica cartridge. I'll have to see which model number it is. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's the red cartridge. And everything sounds great. I just have one too many turntables, and this one's up for your consideration. Thank you so much.